Hi kids, it's your mom. I'm currently babysitting, but we're at the Highlands Nature Center and look at this view. He is passed out, but let me show you this. It is so pretty, and there's so many little trails to get lost on that I don't even know what trail I'm on right now. I just know I'm on one, but honestly, I haven't been here in forever, so right now I'm in the pollinator garden. Super pretty. I think that most of the flowers have bloomed already, or some of them haven't started, one of the two. But look at this. So we're heading back down a trail. Don't know which one. One of them. We've already visited the nature center. I didn't really want to do anything too crazy, but like, look at how pretty this is. The weather is pretty perfect too. It is June 24th. No, June 25th of 2026. And the weather is like mid to high 70s, shiny. There's some cloud coverage, but it's really pretty. Look at this. Sometimes the little fish will jump, or the frogs. It is really pretty to see that the lilies bloomed. I believe this is a mountain laurel. I could be wrong though, but here it comes. There's a bunch of fish right here. Not that you can really see.